All right, we're just getting the second burn underway. That ridge line is up. This ridge line is up. A good 3 feet. We dug the tarp out. We pegged it back in. We've dug the stove out, which is frozen. We have our wood collection inside. And the Freedom 1 goes again.
Survived.
Survived, yeah.
Look, we got ice all over everywhere. It was inside, all the ashes, and so it was all frozen in there.
Yeah. I'm sure it'll be a little smoky in here for bed.
Yeah.
Once we get her going.
But a nice thing about a setup like this is that there's lots of ventilation. I mean,
right.
This thing, right, I've got to tie with string, like it's ridiculous. Once we get her going here, it won't be so bad. So far, so good, bud.
Yeah. So last time we got it up to about 15 without a door, and it was colder than this. It was the night of the rainstorm.
Yeah, it was only like -2 or -3.
Yeah, but it was.
I think we've forgotten. Remember in the park coming in, I mean, it's 12, 13 below wind chill.
It
We were
was.
going to started walking across the ice before we saw the sketchy spots, but out there it was windy. It was cold. It's almost like we're in a different place.
Yeah,
once you're out in the woods, and now you're in the shelter.
Yeah.
I mean, it's warm in here without the stove. I can't wait to see what it's going to get up to. We're almost up to 0 already. That thing's not even going yet.
So we took the ice, kids playing hockey, and then fell through a little sketchy, so turned back quick, and the lake is not cooperating. It's
Yeah,
we're pretty
winter's
much
not cooperating.
We're living in California for Nova Scotia, pretty much. Get her here. The Freedom 1 will come to life. Good exhaust on the top, though. Yeah. So we've got our, it's connected here, and firewood chores, and we're gonna rip this apart next, and bring our other stove out too. And we'll have 2 pods. On the menu today, we have a ton of stuff: pork chops and bacon and eggs, gravy, mashed potatoes, a couple subs, Powerades, a couple step 2s. We'll go through 10 times that, so I'll be getting on the wood here soon.
Well, I should be really cutting some logs and splitting it for kindling. This is all wet wood, but we'll see. Ooh-wee.
There we go with it. Smoke is becoming less of an issue, which is good. Everything's burning right.
Getting there.
Minimal loss. Like, it's a really good, pretty good design here. It's blazing out here, attaboy. A little bit of loss there. It's good. Roaring now, buddy.
Pumping out some smoke or what?
Yeah. Imagine. Good smoke now, man. So we are pretty close to the lake, and we'll take a mission down there to have a look.
See how bad, how sketchy it is over
How
on this
sketchy
side.
it is, huh?
Imagine if it was good on this side. We could just go where that, where they have that little gravel storage. There's a camp there. They put sod. They got a picnic table.
Huh?
Maybe we could just get dropped off there and walk and just go walk right here, right on the lake. Might be a whole other way to get in here that we haven't done before.
Smoking now, but it's
Yeah, she's
imagine,
now, bud.
huh?
We're at 3 or 4 degrees. In
3
here now
degrees already. So 5. We've gained 6 degrees already. We've gained. Oh yeah, you can feel it. Oh boy, look at that. The Freedom 1.
Freedom 1.
Second burn here. Second day or
Second burn. 2 storms.
Yeah, it survived a.
Windstorm, rainstorm, snowstorm.
It was in pretty bad shape we got here.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking good now, buddy. All right, we'll be back.